All right, last break of the night. Sterling, triple box. More drafted teams, so you either got a top 10 pick or you got two teams. Yeah, that sounds about right, Doc. Yeah, that seems right, Joe. Used to be that way with my mom, Doc. It's not quite like that anymore. For me, anyway. I think probably because I'm not there nearly as much now. Yeah, I'm lucky. Mine come and visit me too sometimes. Jake Cave Refractor and a Christian Santana. Shark. Or wait. I never copied the thing. Lawrence. Hang on. Let me copy my spreadsheet. Well, we have another redemption. O'Hearn rookie. Could it be? Prospect autograph. Speckle refractor. Wander. Tim. Back to back. Those are the 99, the Speckles, I believe. Nice, Tim. I didn't know if you were disappointed that it was the same case, because I know we had gotten two in the same case before, I think. Nova for Houston. JMBBB. Man, that's brutal, Doc. Wave Joey Bart to 125. Also, Tim, look at this box. Doc's having a tough go. Kelnick. Swaggerty. Matthias for the Royals. Hugo. We're not breaking tomorrow, UCCF, because we're going to see John Morant play against the Kings. John Morant and the Grizzlies play against the Kings. But we are breaking Friday and Saturday. We have some Series 2 hockey. That came out today, but we're going to break some of that Friday or Saturday. And then the usual suspects. Maybe some Prism. We haven't done that in a little bit. Royce Lewis refractor to 199 and a Ronaldo Hernandez to 125. 10. We could do some more of this on Friday too, I suppose. We have a little bit of select football left if you guys want that. And we have a blue and we have a die cut autograph. The blue, Brady Singer to 25. Hugo. And the die cut auto, hey, Casey Mize to 30. Joe, look at that thing. 14 of 30, Casey Mize. Nice one. Vlad, base rookie. And an Israel Wilson base autograph. Hugo. Yeah, that's right, UCCF. We have one for the year. We only go once or twice a year, but it's just easier that way, you know. Tatis. Waters. Roberto Ramos. That's Joe's Rockies. Gore. Royce Lewis. Jordan. And a Libertor to 99. All kinds of raised him. Isn't it Brockberg? Are they related, I wonder? Brooke and Brock? Oh, really, Tim? I didn't know that. Which trade was that? Who came back? Do you know? I'm trying to think of... Oh, was that the... Which one was it? Like Pham or something? Tommy Pham? Trying to think of Rays Cardinals trades. Oh, Jose Martinez. Was that this offseason? Must have been. Or was that last year's deadline or something? Cody Clemens. Another Tiger Joe. Jonathan Hernandez for the Rangers. Tim. When I met Dr. Ruth. Keston Hero rookie. Astudillo to 199 and a Kobe Allard to 99 rookie auto. Hugo. Wander base. Bryce Turang for the Brewers. Tim. We don't get him much. And the last packet of break. Gold auto, I think. Pete Alonso. And the gold auto is Victor Mesa Jr. to 50. Lawrence, your Marlins. Well, we had a Wander Speckle to 99. And a Casey Mize die cut auto to 30. Victor Mesa Jr. gold. Turang, Allard to 99. Jonathan Hernandez, Cody Clemens, Libertor to 99. Ramos, Wilson, Hernandez to 125. Matias, Joey Bart to 125. I forgot about that one. Nova and Santana. Tatis, Guerrero, Singer Blue, Lewis, Jake Cave, rookie to 199.